Hi everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at a Samsung Gear S2 Classic watch. This is the Gear S2 Classic. If you're unsure of the version of your watch, go in the back and it'll be printed right there. Samsung Gear S2 Classic. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the band off of one of these things. It's not entirely intuitive, but once you do it a few times, it's a piece of cake, and you'll wonder actually why it's never fallen off in the first place. I've got this leather band, which is good for day-to-day work, but I started to work out a little bit, and leather bands are not good for working out. So I'm going to remove this and put on a sports band, a little silicone band that's on its way here. Not here quite yet today, but I think it'll be here in a few days. But on the back of the watch, what you're going to see really close on the band is a little silver button. Now the thing you want to do, most people want to do, is press that button and try to release something. It's not that sort of a button. It's actually a button that's attached to a spring pin, which holds the pin against this armature to hold it in place. So I want to put my fingernail on this and tug it away from this metal piece here, and it'll come away. So it's just simply a little handle, if you will, to pull it down. So I'm going to put that on my finger, move it down, and pull out. Now that came out really easy. I want to show you exactly what we do here. Can you see the little pin on top? So all I'm doing is pulling it down with my thumb. Once you pull it, pressing it does nothing. You physically have to move it towards the center of the band. And that's how you pull it off. I'll pull off the other piece just to show you. Pressing and pulling, you can do that all day long. You really want to get your fingernail on that and pull it towards the middle of the band, and that will release, but that'll compress the spring that's giving it tension to hold it against these two armatures that hold the band in place. So let's pull this towards the middle with the fingernail. Here we go. And if you see, I'll let go and it pops back up. Again, just not a button, but a handle, a lever. Move these things so my autofocus can work. Anyway, when you reverse to put these on, it's the same way. You really want to just put the one end in, the side without the lever, and then the lever side, pull it in, find the right place for it until you hear a click, and you're back in business. So real simple. I gotta get going. Gotta meet my 20,000 step goal. That's how you put the band on and take the band off for a Samsung Gear S2 Classic. Hope this helps you. If it does, hit like, hit subscribe. But as always, thanks for watching.